BC Besim Group, manufacturing in Turkey. Kütahya, Tavşanlı, where quality begins. Welcome to our production world. High-performance polyurethane insoles by Vacker and Fixar, engineered for comfort, durability and performance. Providing superior cushioning and long-lasting support. Comfort that adapts to you. Home of Vacker and Fixar. Where ideas become products. Driven by innovation and expertise. Where technology meets precision. Every step is carefully controlled for consistent quality, delivering high-performance results in every pair. Advanced polyurethane technology. Engineered to expand, adapt and absorb impact, delivering superior cushioning and long-lasting comfort. Fully automated production. Accurate material injection. Shaping comfort to perfection. Every detail is crafted with precision and care. Consistent quality in every pair, designed to meet the highest standards. Reliable performance you can trust, made for lasting comfort. At this stage, each insole is precisely cut using high-pressure cutting systems. Every piece is shaped according to exact dimensions and quality standards. This process ensures perfect consistency in size, form, and finish. Our cutting technology minimizes waste while maximizing efficiency. The result is a clean, accurate, and ready-to-use product in every pair. Each pair is carefully inspected to meet our strict quality requirements. We ensure smooth edges and flawless finishing in every detail. Each pair is carefully packed and prepared for delivery, ready to meet the expectations of global markets, combining quality, comfort, and reliability in every box. At BC Besim Group, we don't just manufacture, we deliver trust.